Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning, decluttering, and organizing of my boy's bedroom. This is going to be a collaboration with Kimberly from Style Mom XO. She is going to be doing a cleaning and organizing video as well. If you haven't checked out any of her videos before, she is the creator of the Power Hour and she has tons of amazing videos, lots of motivational cleaning, mommy vlogs, makeup, anything lifestyle related, she does it. So make sure you check out her channel. I know you will thank me later. I will have her link in the description box below. I just wanted to show you these little organizers that I got from IKEA. I will be using these in the boys' drawers. The boys recently started sharing a bedroom, so here I'm just cleaning out my diaper drawer and adding both Carter and Tanner's diapers to one drawer. Half of the dresser is now Carter's and half is now Tanner's. I absolutely loved organizing their bedroom and their drawers just because when things are organized in my life, it makes my mind more organized, which overall is just so much better and gives me a lot less to worry about and things to be anxious about. Over time, the boys wind up getting a lot more toys in their bedroom than they actually need. So I'm just decluttering that, and I'm going to bring a lot of toys back into the playroom. And next I'm just using my Method glass and surface cleaner, and I'm going to be cleaning the mirrors and then the window. Now I'm just using my favorite scent, sea salt and lime, to wipe down this little table in their room as well as their dresser. And next I'm wiping down their cribs because they get really dusty, and I just love to do this, and it helps just freshen up the room. Carter is almost 3 years old, so I allow him to sleep with a pillow. I don't recommend this for anyone younger than this, but he is almost 3 years old, and I'm really lucky that he's still sleeping in a crib. I hope that he stays in the crib for as long as possible. Next, I'm just straightening up some of their books. They have about 1 million books. They have a bookshelf in the playroom as well, so most of the books are in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum and then mop. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're coming over from Kimberly's channel, I love to have you. And to all of my subscribers, make sure you check out Kimberly. I know that you will love her.